Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on USAA Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usaa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for USAA Bank. Now click on Home Mortgages at the bottom section from the home page, and now you will find the log on button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the login portal. Just enter your user ID within the online IT section and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your mortgage account with USAA. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on I need help logging on and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account on USAA Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.